Welcome back to Keeping It Green with Colin from Bush Irrigation. Today we're going to talk about some of the features of the bottom valve and how we can replace the seal and what tools we use to do that. So if for whatever reason you have an issue with your bottom valve seal, your screen or your probe, there are ways to fix these. Now, if you have your orange Rainbird tool, that top castle part is really what we're going to be focusing on right now. Now, if you have to change that seal at the bottom, you use that castle looking piece, and that goes right over that white portion of your bottom valve, and you can turn that all the way off. That universal filter can also be replaced if need be, but if you look at the other side of that gasket and there's no tears, there's no rips on the other side of the gasket, you can flip this once for reuse and back in. It's a great way to troubleshoot valves if that's actually your problem, and it's an easy fix that you can use. Use the bottom of that tool to tighten that back up, and away you go. Now, the only other thing that you can do on this is, like I said, you can change that universal filter if need be. You can also remove that probe and change these gaskets if you have to. These are all things that we do have in stock and readily available, but that's it for your bottom valve. Again, thank you so much for keeping it green with Colin, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local Bush Irrigation representative.